How to change pickup location on Walmart app. Hey everybody, if you'd like to change your pickup location on Walmart app, you can follow up the steps. So you can tap on Walmart and you can just go ahead and select the option of new store when you're trying to create your account. That is one of the method available. Otherwise, we have this option of clicking the store location under the search bar. So once you are logged in, you should be finding this interface. You can look out for the option called pick up a delivery on your screen. Right below the search bar, tap on it. And when you do, here you will be finding your location that has been added. So here you can just adjust the location within your app. We have this location available. You can tap on add address, or you can just go ahead and tap on this address that has already been added. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you will be given another option to change your address. Just go ahead and do so. And here you can just go ahead and enter a zip code or city or state. You can just go ahead and select up the location available and tap on save once you just go ahead and select it. And once it is done, the store location, your delivery location, your pickup location on Walmart application should be changed. So that is it. So therefore, if you would like to change your location on your Walmart application, you may also follow up the same process. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will be seeing you in another video.